Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super special lined up for you. The Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Big Money Savings. This pair has been creating a lot of buzz in the sneaker community, and I can't wait to dive into all the little details with you. So grab your seat, hit that like button, and let's get straight into the unboxing. Opening a fresh pair of sneakers is always an exciting moment, and with the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Big Money Savings, that excitement reaches another level. The packaging itself stays true to Nike's SB standards, giving sneaker enthusiasts that feeling of authenticity and anticipation. Pulling the lid off the box, you're greeted with crisp wrapping paper that builds the suspense before you finally see the shoes for the first time. The moment the sneakers are revealed, it's clear that Nike poured serious attention into detail. The colorway pops instantly, combining soft green shades and neutral tones that remind you of currency notes and the concept of saving money. The overall aesthetic feels premium and carefully crafted, which is exactly what you'd expect from an SB Dunk release. The inspiration behind the big money savings theme makes this pair stand out. It's not just about creating a flashy colorway, but also about telling a story that resonates with people. The green tones symbolize wealth and prosperity, while the contrasting panels highlight the balance between spending and saving. It's a design that makes you smile while also appreciating the clever thought process behind it. Nike went above and beyond with the materials on this sneaker. From buttery suede overlays to premium leather side panels, every inch feels sturdy yet stylish. The craftsmanship is evident in the clean stitching and smooth transitions between the textures. This attention to quality not only enhances the look, but ensures that the sneaker can withstand both casual wear and the demands of skateboarding. The Nike swoosh, a highlight of any dunk, has been given extra shine in this release. Contrasting perfectly against the muted tones, it grabs attention without overpowering the design. Other branding touches, such as the tongue label and heel tab, are finished in a way that complements the overall money-saving theme, while staying true to Nike SB's roots. Looks aren't everything, and Nike SB knows that. This pair continues the tradition of offering comfort that skaters and casual wearers both love. The padded tongue adds cushioning, the insole provides solid impact protection, and the overall fit hugs your foot without feeling too tight. Whether you're skating or just styling them for a day out, comfort is never sacrificed. One of the hallmarks of the SB Dunk line is durability, and this release is no different. The gum rubber outsole ensures maximum grip, making it perfect for skaters. At the same time, the tough construction gives you confidence that these sneakers will last through countless wears, which ties nicely back to the savings theme. Because this pair is an investment. For collectors, this sneaker is more than just a pair to wear. It represents a chapter in Nike SB Dunk's long legacy of storytelling through design. Every release like this builds on that history, and the big money savings feels like a must-have addition to any serious sneaker collection. Its quirky theme ensures it will be remembered years down the line. Sneaker culture thrives on hype and anticipation, and the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Big Money Savings had both. From leaked images to official reveals, the buzz around this release grew steadily. By the time it hit stores, sneaker enthusiasts already knew this was going to be one of those pairs people would talk about for months. One of the highlights is the material selection. Suede overlays add a soft, luxurious touch, while the premium leather gives the sneaker structure and durability. Together, they create a perfect mix of performance and style. These materials not only look good but also hold up well, making them suitable for skating or casual wear. Ironically, the sneaker's theme of savings connects to its market value. While resale prices may climb, retail buyers are actually getting a solid deal here. A well-built, stylish sneaker that's versatile and long-lasting. In a way, it lives up to its name by being worth every dollar. Let's start with the unboxing experience of the sneakers I ordered from pantha.com. The package arrived safely and was well protected, showing that panthabuy.com really values presentation and product security. As soon as I opened the box, it was clear that panthabuy.com takes extra steps to ensure customers receive their items in perfect condition. When I tried on the sneakers from panthabuy.com, I was genuinely impressed by the comfort. The cushioning feels supportive yet soft, and the shoes are incredibly lightweight. Whether you plan to wear them casually or for sports, panthabay.com designs their sneakers to deliver both comfort and performance. One of the standout features of panthabay.com is their generous registration bonus. The moment you sign up, panthabay.com gives you a $300 coupon to use toward your orders. On top of that, they offer 3 free products where you only need to cover the shipping cost. This makes shopping at panthabay.com practically risk-free and highly rewarding for new customers. The website itself is another highlight. Panthabay.com has a clean, simple, and user-friendly design that makes browsing categories like sneakers, apparel, and accessories very easy. The checkout process is smooth, secure, and convenient, even for first-time shoppers. What sets panthabay.com apart is its wide product range. From stylish sneakers to casual wear and sports gear, panthabay.com truly has something for everyone. The sneakers I unboxed today are a perfect example of the high-quality craftsmanship they promise. Each product undergoes careful checks before reaching the customer. Behind panthabay.com is a professional team that values customer satisfaction above all. Their support staff is responsive and helpful, whether it's about product details, order tracking, or after-sales service. This makes the entire shopping process on panthabay.com much more reliable and stress-free. To wrap it up, the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Big Money Savings is one of those sneakers that balances fun and function perfectly. It's stylish without being over the top, durable without compromising comfort, and unique without losing wearability. For me, this is a must-have pair that deserves a spot in both active rotations and sneaker displays.